Yo. So I've been putting some time on Chancla's NFT project. Uh, what did I do? Yeah, I've added the empty option for eyewear and ads. The rest of the code was made in the randomizer part, which is not public. I mean, I can show it now, but here we're gonna have a better way to randomize the seed distribution from the seed from the smart contract. I also added metadata, which basically look like that's an example of an output. You can see there is no eyewear. Actually, the astronaut is the app, so there is no eyewear by default, but the logic is still good. Yeah, so we have the at, we have the toe guard, we have the base, we have that part, that part, that part, that part, and that part, which is all gonna be given to uh, it's gonna be in the JSON, so website like OpenSea or other market will be able to fetch that data. We are going to store um, maybe some other data too, either from the API or in creation. I don't know yet. Um, I've made a very basic here C721, which use access control for a minter role and URE storage. There is a token data structure that holds the seed and the period because mint function take a period ID. This way, the ICO will be able to call this as an minter role, generate a pseudo-random seed, which is not random at all. I don't know why this is uint 256. I think it should be an hash. I don't know. I'll check what the result of that. We will try in this video the on Truffle test unit. Truffle develop, sorry. We can get the token data, which is the seed and the period ID by token ID, and the owner, the default admin, can set the base token URI. So later on, when there is no mint possible anymore, we can change that to, let's say, IPFS. Sorry, this is access stuff, and we override the base URI to return the base URI. There is also a function in token storage that we can get the base URI for a particular token. We're gonna all see that in the test unit. One moment. Mhm. Sorry. We output the metadata here from randomizing, and we dump them in the JSON file. That's basically it. And I started a basic API, which is where we are. So usually I write migration script and um, test unit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop up remix. We're gonna load the smart contract here. I'm just gonna change this. There you go. Got some error. What? I'm confused. Oh, I'm confused. Set role admin. Role default admin role. Mm, and then NPC conversion from address to byte. Oh, it's not set role admin then. Set role admin. Yeah. So we're granting the role. Why? Okay. Pretty sure we can do this way. The internal is gonna cost a bit less. Sorry, I'm eating chips. Actually, I don't think we need this. Sorry. I mean, we can always change it using revoke role or something like that. Renounce, revoke, only get, yeah. So what I will do is name symbol initial base URI, and we are going to address minter, ICO minter, and we can grant the role here. But basically, we're just going to send ourselves actually. Just gonna copy the contract so we keep updated. Chunk class. Let's do this. We're gonna connect to local provider, which is gonna be Truffle. Solidity. Truffle develop. Oops. This is gonna start a local network. These are test account. Always the same. XB1, and you can see the local the Truffle develop network. We get the first address. We're gonna deploy chunk class. The default the symbol is gonna be, let's just do this. It's not very important. Initial base URL, I think it shall be like let's use for, I know it's ugly, but it's just for testing. If I'm not wrong, that should be the proper way to do this. Okay. Invalid opaque code. current role. Confused. That's odd. Let's go see. Don't understand, but some environment. Yeah, but I don't think that's the issue. Oh. Okay. But I'm pretty sure we were using that. Oh. Basically, they are saying that ERC, your E storage is not good. But I'm confused. We got the metadata. What could go wrong? That's nonsense. Okay, that's a problem with my. Must be some local issue, but it's not. Why wouldn't it not work? Message sender. There's no reason. Can you eye? Okay. Access control. But we don't even need it. Oh yeah, we do. Wait, I'm just confused right now. There is an issue somewhere and I want to know where. Nice there. Okay, I'll try something. We can import from the first private key. Okay. And we're gonna add some testnet. Finish that. Come on, bro. Oh, that's true. 1, 2, 3, 7. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Then we're gonna get the provider, the injected provider here. Hello. Right. Ah, yeah, got it. So name. So we're likely to fail. Can't be stupid like that. That's just, it's gonna be stupid like that. Oh. So will likely fail. Oh, the EVM version used by the selected environment is not compatible. Oh my god, what a waste. 0x20, but pretty sure I'm running the proper one. Solidity, yeah. The just for fun. Mm. What is it? What is the version? I don't remember. Is it that? Huh. Okay, but let's try this. I don't think that's changing something here, but just in case. Oh, come on. The if sure. Valid OP code, but I'm supposed to have the proper one. Solidity or lower. Yeah, but I don't want to use a lower. We're gonna refresh the page. Because there is no reason it doesn't work. Let's try. If not, I'll just use the remix test. I'm just trying to figure out how I can test it properly. It's the first time that thing happened to me, and I must say I'm a bit confused. Okay, so if we go with Cancun, we got that account. We're gonna do the same thing, but set it this way. Ah, now it's working. That's so weird. Okay. So this is all the function we have access to. We can get the balance, the current token ID, the default admin role, some function related to admin, the access control. Get token data is to get the data of a particular token. See if seed is 0, it's false. Right? Get the name, the owner of, the symbol, the token URI for, let's say, ID1. Okay. So because it's not mint, yeah, wait, revert non-existent token. So because we are the owner but also the minter, we are going to give ourselves the initial one using mint. Um, we gonna be in the first period. So the way I made it is rarities one is the percentage and weight for each trait per the period one. So then we can in the ICO create multiple period, thus creating more uh, like a early bird special. So early people can get better trades. That's mostly it. I create myself the first one. I have one NFT that increased. We can get the token data of the first. Yeah, awesome. And so that's the seed, that's the data for that particular NFT, which is perfect. That's the generation of the seed that's made using this. It's not random, but we can use that and randomize it in our backend, which is not gonna be public. Um, yeah, we can get the owner off, blah blah blah. That will return zero. That's actually return an error. That's perfect too. And the token URI should be this. So going there should output the JSON. I just OpenSea documentation format. Metadata standard is what I want. Yeah. So the meta structure is this. We gonna do this. Also attribute custom attribute. So property. Okay. Yeah. So the attribute. This is what I want. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Trait type value. If I go here, output trait type value. We respect that attributes. Yeah. But what we're gonna do too is this the basic structure. We need to I'm gonna save it here for now. Add basic structure when creating metadata. We need to do this. Yeah, so main, what is main? I get it. The description. Let's go. Yeah, we want to get the image too. That's important. The image that yeah, that's kind of cool. So we are going to add this where we are writing the metadata. To a final image, so attribute, metadata attribute. Before the attribute. Yeah, we can initialize. Metadata here. We are gonna pass the token ID here. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna ask what is the domain, but it's okay. We can do this way. Token ID, token ID. This way. And we will be able to append to metadata attributes straight up like that. Perfect. So just gonna do it again so you can see the result. I'm also gonna use my test seed that I generated here because it's cool. Generate. So generate image, multiple image. It's gonna be token ID. Token ID. Token ID. And the ID is 1. Period is 1. The seed. Don't forget we're gonna play with that and the randomize function. So we got proper JSON formatted metadata. That will be perfectly fine. Yep. Yep. That's awesome. I mean, no, actually, we shall use the token ID. NFT seed, NFT seed. That would be much more simple. Yeah. So, oops, randomizer. Token ID. We can do the same here. That's gonna work. So we have a way to generate proper metadata, proper image. Um, Perfect. Uh-huh. I mean, I could use environment to just set the URL and also something random that would be used here. And I'll I'll check because it could be cool to also publish this without revealing that part. So then the API. Yeah. Uh, do I do this? Okay. So basically, I'm gonna do this. But the thing is, I'm not using the local network. So I don't know how I can open this. That's the thing. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I have everything I need. Okay. If not minted, we block. If minted but JSON and images or not present for that ID, generate. Same logic should apply for image, but it's important to block if the token ID is not minted, thus preventing people trying seeds or ID, whatever, to get seed and period and token ID from the NFT contract. Yeah, I mean, we can already get the ABI from here. Chunk REST ABI. That's in backend. Oh yeah, it is in backend. Also, I forgot in randomizer. Just remove PNG from there. Select the other one because this image straight up, and it's gonna be token ID. Get token data. Period ID, and we can pass token ID here. If it's token minted, yeah, that's perfect. Now that's done. We pass it here. Output. Wait. Pretty sure it's like that. Output. It's token ID period NFT seed. Token ID period NFT seed output there. Okay. Yeah, but the problem is we cannot connect to the chain. Update Truffle. I don't know if it's gonna let me. It's kind of done. Huh? Oh. Yeah, there's a thing. Contract address. Oops. Permanent support. Okay. Shanghai. Can I do this? Truffle develop EVM version Cancun. Am I allowed to do this? Can I? Okay, I'm just gonna try remix again one last time. Because technically I don't see why it will not work. Come on. Change the config. But I did. I want Cancun. Say pretty sure. I thought I updated it. Okay. Truffle develop. Same thing. Are we good? Are we good? The same thing. That's so dumb. Uh, Shanghai is working. That's so dumb. Okay, we're gonna set in the API. Our contract address. Let's go. Yeah, that's 4,000. What did I put? Just it doesn't really matter. I think I put 3,000. Port. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. So we're gonna go get ID 1, right? Get token. Token 1 is not minted. Okay. And we can get the same with image. We should get the same error. Okay. What we're gonna do too is we're gonna we're gonna do the opposite. If the file is available, fetch it. If it's not available, then we need to check if it was minted, and then do it. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna mint 1. For period 1, and we shall be able to access it. Or it's not gonna crash. Oh no. Okay, what is it? Token ID is not minted. Owner of mix. Owner of 1. Yeah, I get it. But the thing is, it's gonna return. Yeah, okay, it's failing. Huh. Uh, we should get something as owner. Okay. Oh, what is this? What do you mean? Oh, just the S here. So dumb. Okay, let's try 2. 2 is gonna fail. We're gonna see it here. Owner, owner or error, whatever. Okay. Token 1. We get the data. We get the image. Let's go. So if we try 2 again, but it's, oh, now it's, oh, okay, it's kind of direct. That's good. Attribute is below in the JSON file. I don't know why. Huh. Pretty print. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. But basically, we what? Mm, Okay. JSON file response. We actually don't need request. Yeah, just want to get the data. Yeah. Exactly what we want. Okay, so we have a working API. We have a security too. And if a token is minted, querying the first time is going to, um, yeah, basically is going to provide the image and the data only if it was minted. And anyone can access a token that was minted, of course. But we prevent cheating, thus exploiting the randomness here because there is no random in the smart contract. Someone could technically predict the seed because it's all on-chain data. Like periodId is easy to predict, token ID is the next one, and the block timestamp can also be cheated or predicted. So this is not random, but generating with the randomizer here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna play with that part. So we can have a true randomness that's still gonna be fair for the user because that code gonna be public and they're gonna be able to check to generate. I could actually do an endpoint in the API, like give a seed and generate something that output what it look like. It's not the end of the world because actually, yeah, we cannot do this. We cannot do this because it still could be someone could still say, okay, I want to aim for that seed. What do I need to get that seed? And it's all in the smart contract. So we kind of, yeah, that's tricky, but that's what's done for now.